tell me again about how it hurts being awfully loud for an introvert. Well, this ends bad then. We knew it would, so we won't eat our words, 'cause they don't taste good. I'm guessing that I've grown horns. I guess I'm human no more. I can tell I've rotted in your brain. Oh, how easily passion twists. You think I'm a crazy bitch. 1,000 words are left unsaid, 'cause no one listens to the dead. So maybe I will talk to you the only way I know how to. I've said my speech through sharpened teeth. You break the rules and spikes grow from your skin. Please let the devil in. I've seen this before. High and mighty at the top of your list, adoring every move. And my rank is sinking, but we're both guilty of black or white thinking. And through my red eyes you look pale. All of your scars are looking more like scales. Two ugly creatures, two sinister preachers, blind to the past like a couple of monsters. Just a couple of monsters. So maybe I will talk to you the only way I know how to. Said your speech through sharpened teeth. You break the rules and spikes grow from your skin. Please let the devil in.